जय।
हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। हरि पावन नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय। सचिनंदन गौर हरि की जय। अनंत पटेल गौर प्रेमानंद
हरि हरि बोल।
ओम ज्ञानतिमिरान्ध्रस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालय कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमस्ते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ओम वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे
हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
So first of all, I offer my humble respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Guru Pad Padma. Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Sakmad Bhakti Vedanta Siddhavan Goswami Maharaj. And Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Sakmad Bhakti Vedanta Siddhavan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, I offer my humble respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Sakmad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Guru Bandhu Sri Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all of Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So almost 1 month we performed Kartik Vrat. Only 2 days left. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in Jagannath Puri, and every year also all the devotees then used to come in Jagannath Puri, especially from Bengali devotees. They used to come and meet with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Some also stayed with him for months, but mostly they used to stay with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And last 1 month or 2 months, Chaitanya Charitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained in this way. Then when Chaturmasa, then Kartik Vrat finished, then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told to all his followers, you have to return back your home. But they became very sad. They don't want to go back there. This is the nature. So much love and affection with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And especially Chaitanya Mahaprabhu spoke very nice, sweet Hari Katha. And also nice prasad is there also. What prasad? Jagannath prasad. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, you are householder, grihastha, and you have to return back your home. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, glorify one devotees, and they look how Srivas Thakur, and he is excellent devotee and completely surrender unto his lotus feet. And one day I told, Srivas Thakur, his youngest son, left body in the midnight. But Srivas Thakur, he did not cry and also he did not complain to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Yeah? You know this story. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told Srivas, how you are? How are you? Yeah? Your youngest son left body, but you did not give any message to me. Because Srivas Thakur, he was thinking, if I give this message to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then some obstacles will come to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu dancing and singing. Then, for this regard, Srivas Thakur told Prabhu, I did not give any message to you. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's heart completely melted. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Srivas, na bhuto na bhavishyate, will become this. And in this material world, conditioned soul, if anything is happened, then crying and crushing head on the ground, this was and Srivas Thakur, so this for this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also told Srivas, actually always I am staying in your house. Before taking sannyas, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Srivas, don't worry, I will stay always in 5 places. And first Sachira Mandiri, always I will stay in the house of my mother, Sachi Devi. Yeah? Because so much love and affection, Sachi Devi with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Putra Sneha, understand Putra Sneha? That is called affection for his son, Putra Sneha. Vatsalabha, parental modes, these things. Day and night, Sachi Mata, she is crying for Nimai, Nimai, Nimai. And it goes coming 999. 99 minutes? No, he is not right. Or Goswami is explained, Sachi Mata always she cried and uttered this name, Nimai, 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 Nimai. Then echo coming, what?
999.
What?
No.
Actual Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told mother, always I will stay with you. Because Suchimata has so much love and affection to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And she cooked many types of sabji for Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. One day Sachi Devi, she cooked especially 2 kinds of sabji. What is that? One is called white pumpkin, that is Indian name, that is called Loki. Or another, she cooked also banana flowers, that is called mocha ghunta. Yeah? Banana flowers. Have you seen banana flowers?
Yes.
Yeah? Mocha ghunta, banana flowers. Then Suchimata, she offered his Thakurji Salagram Sila. And then Suchimata just, she also kept the plate in front of Thakurji and she remembered to Nimai. Because Suchimata was thinking, if Nimai would stay here, then Nimai must ask me, mother, give me this sabji, this. But Nimai is not here. Then Sochimata just weeping and shedding tears. And how's Nimai's love and affection? And they say maybe 1 hour, and after a few minutes, after Sochimata returned back her consciousness. Then Sochimata saw that plate completely what? Clean. Eh? No reason of no any rusting. Then Sochimata thought, oh, today I did not for my Thakurji. Just in my mind, and he was thinking, oh, I cooked for Nimai. Actually, I did not cook. So much sentiments manifest in my heart. And sentiment come. So I was crying and thinking this. Then Sochimata again she also cooked for Nimai and offered Thakurji. In this Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told this story to Jagadananda Pandit, oh, you are going to Navadvip Dham, you have to remind to my mother. This month, my mother sabji, I was there. I ate everything my mother is thinking, did not cook for him. Okay? So for this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Sochimata, oh, my mother, always I will stay with you. Sometimes visible, sometimes invisible.
Invisible.
Yeah. Second, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Srivas, always I am with your house. Yeah, how much you love and affection. Yeah. Your son left body, you did not give message to anything. No information, nothing. Love and affection. Sachira Mandire Srivasir Grihe. Yeah. Every day Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to come Srivas Thakur's house, dancing, singing, Nam, Sankirtan, and until midnight. Yeah, 1 o'clock. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu returned back to his house, just taking rest. Again 4 o'clock, Lord Chaitanya used to come and taking bath in the Ganges and worship to Ganga Puja and doing pranam, stop, stuti. And again, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu come to Srivas Thakur house. And maybe 6 o'clock too. Again, 12 o'clock, Lord Chaitanya dancing, singing Nam Sankirtan. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Srivas, I am always with you in your house. Or third, Raghavire. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu so much love and affection with Damayanti and Raghav Pandit. You know, Panihati Raghav Pandit. And Damayanti and Raghav Pandit, how they have love and affection Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. They also used to come Navadvip, Jagannath Puri. When they used to come Lord Chaitanya, come Jagannath Puri, they also brought many kinds of preparation for Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Whole year preparation they brought for Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Chaitanya Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, maybe 10 or 12 box juli. And they used to bring for Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Even they brought many kinds of preparation which are helpful for Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sometimes they also brought one kind of list of unit, jute leaves. If the jute leaves dry and put in the water, whole night put in the water, then early in the morning, just that you drink the juice, the water. Then your stomach will be neat and clean. Not only this, also they also brought